Ayo, it's NSPC 2025 in a few days, and may panawagan lang ho ako sa mga magiging judge. Can we try to be objective and let our campus journalists be free with the writing style or the creativity that they wanted to show in the competition? What I meant with this is that being a campus journalism trainer, ang nagiging culture ng mga bata ay inaalam nila kung sino yung mga magiging judge at ginagaya or finifit nila yung kanilang magiging performance or yung kanilang writing style base sa kung sino yung magiging hurado. And I think that shouldn't be the case. I'll give you an example. Imbes na ang mga estudyante ay gustong mag-explore ng mas fresh na approach, mas Gen Z, mas makabago, hindi na nila ito ginagawa kasi takot sila na baka hindi ma-appreciate or hindi magustuhan ng judge. Kasi baka ang judge daw ay medyo traditional, but NSPC is a competition for campus journalists. Campus journalists are supposed to be free, creative, and critical thinkers. So paano nila ito magagawa kung nalilimitahan sila dahil tinitailor fit nila ang kanilang performance sa kung sino nga yung judge? Now, how to address this? Ito po ang aking mga suggestion. Number one, sana kumuha ang DepEd ng iba't ibang klase ng hurado in that specific niche or category from different parts of the country and from different media platforms or media outlets. For example, if you're getting a judge for radio broadcasting, kumuha tayo ng mga hurado mula sa regions, kumuha tayo ng hurado na who has experience also in collaborating with international media agencies. At kumuha rin tayo ng mga podcasters. So sana magkaroon ng variety of judges. Number two, please invite young, reputable judges. Mahalaga ho na sa mix of judges ay may kabataan kasi yung mga campus journalists mismo, they're young. Walang ibang mas makaka-relate sa kanila kundi ang kapwa nila kabataan. So I think it's good that we also invite young judges na updated din sa mga latest trends, latest executions, mga innovation. And last but not the least, some of you may not agree to this, hindi ko pa rin talaga gets kung bakit hindi dinadivulge yung mga judges for that competition. Ako, I always post that I judge for this certain competition or for this certain division and region because that's also an accountability for the judge na yun yung mga pinili ko, paninindigan ko yun. But campus journalism is about accountability and hindi lang dapat ito ibinibigay ang accountability sa mga lumalahok or na mga estudyante. Dapat pinibigay din ang accountability sa mga judges. I hope this goes well. Vote wisely this coming elections and see you sa Ilocos for NSPC 2025. Bye!